guys, it is Wavy Spice here, and if you are new to my channel, I make videos about hair, lifestyle, beauty, and all of the above for girls that don't quite fit into your picture perfect standard of beauty. Girls that are, you know, maybe dark skin, have kinky textured hair, or are a little bit bigger. For those that want to have some confidence and rock out regardless of what people think and say F fitting into beauty standards. So yeah, that's a little bit about my channel. Definitely make sure you subscribe and join the Spice Gang. We have a lot of fun over here. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. I'm also gonna have all of my social media links below. Definitely don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you have that. Yeah guys, I am just going to show you how I achieve this fluffy braid out. Now keep in mind, my hair is 1 day old. It looked way more defined than this. I went to the gym and everything, so this is what it's looking like right now. It's still cute, but it's not as defined. I definitely need to like update my method, I think, just so we can actually like catch the braids and just actually like have it more defined, because as you can see, like the ends definitely got the definition, but I really do enjoy the way that this looks. And if you guys want to see the way that I got this really pretty look, then just continue watching. Bye. What's good, guys? This is how my hair is looking. I deep conditioned it. If you haven't already, go check out my deep conditioning routine. It's a $4 deep conditioner and it leaves your hair so moisturized. I don't have any product on my hair. I blow dry my hair with only heat protection spray. This is the heat protection spray that I use, and I have a method on how I blow dry my hair. Link that so you can find it. Honestly, I'm due for a trim. My hairstylist starts back doing hair because I need a trim really bad. This is a press from the Janae Mickles, honey. Okay, but she had her beautiful baby, which I'm so happy about. Yeah, whenever she start working again, I got to get in there. So I'm just sectioning off my hair. I'm a mess. See, I'm not no hair guru. I'm trying to do this hair thing. All right, so I go with the first layer of the gland. As you can see, I need a trim, definitely, especially towards the front of my hair. I definitely need a trim, but we getting somewhere with this length retention. All right, so I have to do like decent sized chunks because I have very thin hair. I'm gonna just do 2 in the back. I'm not neat with it at all. I'm not good at this stuff. Braids are easy for me because I can just do a single plait, but honey, I can't do no cornrows. I can barely do flat twists. I should try those again. I haven't tried those in years. The Melanin Twist Elongate Style Cream. This stuff is amazing for my hair. It's not good for everybody's hair though, because my mom, she don't like it. I love it. It works really awesome for me. I'm gonna do it like makeup and go in with just a little bit, because I really don't want to put too much and have it start reverting, because I want to keep my length. Okay. A little more. I think I need to get some more on the top. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with my hair grease, child. This much grease. And really just focus that on the ends to seal in the moisture from Whitney's hair product. Because I want everything to be moisturized, because that's one problem that I do have when I do blown out styles, the moisture. But gel, grease really helps with retention. I have a whole video on me using hair grease and what I think about bringing hair grease back. So yeah, we get 3 chunks. Mind you, I'm terrible at braiding, guys. Okay, I'm gonna just try to get it really taut. Okay.
See me with one girl, two girl, call it a traffic jam. See me with three girl, four girl, call it a traffic jam. Don't give me no red light, green light, stuck in the traffic jam. See me with more than enough girl, causing a traffic jam. Yeah, give me yeah, traffic jam. Yeah, keeping me up, yeah. Starts when the night fall, down like domino. Yeah, down like it's about to go. Tell a friend I'm in town cause they wanna know where they wanna go. They only give me one thing, God give me love in abundance. Bumper the bumper they bumping, getting crowded now. Turn the beat up loud enough, turn up. Yeah, yeah, they coming back up by boot by play. Yeah, I know they don't play. See me with one guy, two guy, call it a traffic jam. See me with three guy, four guy, call it a traffic jam. Don't give me no red light, green light, stuck in the traffic jam. See me with more than enough guy, causing a traffic jam. Yeah, give me yeah, traffic jam. Yeah, keeping me up, yeah.
Alright, so what's good, guys? I just got back from the gym and I'm about to take these out. Oil on my fingers while I do this. And I'm just gonna unravel the end. I'm just letting it fall apart. Oh, it's really defined. I love how defined it is. And I'm really trying not to like disturb the definition and create frizz. Yep. Same thing on the other side. Just unravel the bottom part. My light is too bright, I think. And I'm just like not raking my finger all the way through. I'm just letting it like separate on its own pretty much. Yes. Alright, so this is what we looking like when we take it down, and then of course I'm gonna go through and like separate it, but I'm gonna take it all loose first.
Baby, dance for me. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, move for me. With your love, baby, dance for me. You be my fine wine and Hennessy. Oh, my. Fine wine and Hennessy. Oh, my. Tell me what you wanna be tonight.
And with a Style Factor Edge Booster, yep, I'm using this little mini one.
Take control of me. Ayo, take control of me. Take control of me. Yeah. Take control of 2 by 2, 1 by 1. One like say you don't have no man. Pump up it up like a gas station. Pump up it up like a gas station. 2 by 2, 1 by 1. One like say you don't have no man. Pump up it up like a gas station. Pump up it up like a gas station.
Me up no girl and she a tell her friend them they need to plan up and catch me. 3-way phone call, girl I try make like say them one time me. In a conversation but ain't no conversating with me but nobody. Take your young one, you can keep calm. Watch girl a blow one stamp. Show me fucker in the hotel. Me tell you all down, tell you all swell. Find out me up the friend, and the other friend. That's why they might try plan up for try style, man. Smarter than who you must see mad, yeah, man. Who yeah?